Praxis Difference is an informative presentation created to illustrate the benefits and features of the product manufactured and sold by the Praxis companies. Often when making sales calls, the question is asked, why do we need to switch? And if we need to switch, why do we need to switch to your product? After viewing the Praxis Difference, we trust you will have a confidence level in understanding why our bathware products are the best in the industry, and that you can go forth with conviction into the market to explain what makes our product the quality standard.
Hello, I'm Scott Stonecipher. In this setting we'll talk about Praxis Company's gel coat products. In order to evaluate a gel coat tub, most viewers start from the front side and look at the inside of the product. Stop right there. In order to truly understand the features and benefits of the Praxis Company's bathing products, the bottom of the tub is the first place to start. From this vantage point, you can see the bottom of our product. Reflect on your bathing experiences. What part of the bathtub takes the brunt of your foot traffic and takes the brunt of your weight? You guessed it, the bottom. What part of the bathtub do you want to know unequivocally will withstand the test of time and never fail? The bottom of the bathtub. There are several features that make the bases and bottom structure of our bathware products superior to any other in the industry. For our floor substrate, we use 5/8 inch OSB material on all of our residential products. There's a couple of reasons why this material is superior. First, the surface is rough enough to allow for a very good mechanical bond between the wood, the wet resin, and the fiberglass. Also, it is substantial enough in thickness that it does not allow for flex. We're the only tub manufacturer that uses the 5/8 inch material. Other manufacturers use 1/2 inch and 7/16 inch material. We could save money by using the thinner material, but the rigidity loss is substantial enough that we don't consider it. You'll also notice that our bases are continuous yet scored. Our bases are designed to provide continuous coverage in the surface area where the bather stands. Our wooden bases are cut to allow the contour of the bottom to be mirrored by the wood to maximize surface contact between the wood and the tub bottom. The next substantial component of our base is the tie-in. Our gun operators are trained to be very diligent in tying in the perimeter of the base. This step is critical to waterproof the perimeter and to maximize the strength of the base. This ensures that in the event the product is stored outside, any water or moisture that has access to the product is not allowed to contact the wood perimeter. Here's the in-process base application. As you can see, the skill and craftsmanship is a core component of the success of our base structure. The approach we take with our base design and engineering is the Poka-yoke principle. The Poka-yoke principle engineers steps and methods that are consistent and repeatable. It's very clear that in our base construction we do that. You'll see on our tub shower units an apron support structure. This is material applied to the apron to reinforce the area between the wooden base and the edge of the skirt. The skirt area can potentially take a great deal of abuse during transportation and during positioning into the alcove. Additional reinforcement here ensures a durable product to withstand the demands. The bottom of the drain is an area that is extremely important. The drains must be sanded flat and smooth, must be free of voids, and must be horizontal to the installation plane. Our production and quality control departments understand this is a very important and critical area for the plumber and those involved in the installation process. We take pride in the attention we pay to the drain areas. Strategically placed bumpers protect the product in critical areas during transportation, handling, and storage. One of the neatest and most innovative features of our product is our fibrous mesh technology. We use this material in large flat surface areas. The benefit of this product is that it adds rigidity as well as becoming an integral part of the product. It's able to accomplish this without creating internal surface area print through. We've all seen product reinforced in the broad areas with cardboard and have all seen the print through that can be seen on the inside. Our fibrous mesh technology is actually used in the yacht industry to prevent the unsightly print through. Another great aspect of this material is that it does become an integral part of the product. Corrugated material, also known as cardboard, decays under the laminate when exposed to moisture when the product is stored outside. Because fibrous mesh technology is an integral part of the resin and glass matrix, it doesn't decay or erode when exposed to the elements. Praxis products are manufactured with very long fiberglass and a very high glass to resin ratio. The importance in the fiberglass reinforced products is that glass to resin ratio and the length of the glass. Both of those things contribute greatly to the strength and rigidity of the product. Praxis uses both of those items to make their product superior in strength. An area that we take pride in is our listening ability. By listening to the channels that our product passes through, we've engineered solutions into our product. Reinforced flanges, valve wall reinforcement, extreme slick surface area, and smooth drain are all areas that we've reacted to based on market needs. These are all areas that are important for a successful and easy install. They are areas that ensure a quick turnkey install that allow the product to be set, secured, plumbed, leak tested successfully, and prevent callbacks to the site. The slick back surface is a step we take in our process to provide the handlers of this product with a smoother backside. This allows for easier handling and fewer splinters. Now it's time to review the inside of the product. Our product is designed to be beautiful, practical, non-dated, all the while being engineered in manners that are easy for production, economic for production, and easy to get to the marketplace. There are several steps that are taken to provide impeccable surface quality to the Praxis products. Mold maintenance is the first of those steps, and that mold maintenance program starts with preventative maintenance. Think about your car or truck. Do you drive it until the engine locks up? No, you run it until it reaches a mileage threshold, and even though nothing is wrong with it, the oil is changed, the tires are rotated, and other important steps are taken to preserve your car's reliability. The same preventative maintenance process occurs with the molds that create our product. We track our molds' process turns, we collect data to be able to understand the mold's lifetime process intervals, current run intervals, and repair history. Each time a product is manufactured from a mold, our computerized tracking system logs the data for future reference. Once certain production intervals occur, the mold's taken into the mold maintenance department. There it's inspected for repair needs. Typically it's re-waxed, buffed, cleaned up, and back on the production line. That's a necessary step that we take to ensure that our mold surface is premium as well as the product surface that comes from these molds. Flange structure is a feature that the Praxis products are built around. Praxis has the most consistent and structured flanges in the industry. The reason is because we understand how important it is to the plumber and the installers. The flange structure has a foundation around our mold design. Our engineered flange allows for the operator to have clear and consistent target areas. The clear target area allows for the operator to competently fulfill the material accumulation in the flange area. This is similar to follow-through in athletics in things such as a golf swing or a batter swing. The clear target area allows for the operator to follow through and prevents the operator from short-arming the material structure on the flange. Another feature of the inside of our product is the color. The gel coat we buy is a premium material compared to the competition. It's a brighter white and has shine agents in the material that allow for a higher luster. By now you should be convinced of our commitment to quality through the design and the process that our product goes through. One more paramount aspect about our product that need not be overlooked. Think about the word fiberglass for a minute. Now let's focus on the last 5 letters of that word, glass. When you think about the word glass, what is the first thing that comes to mind? Typically fragile or breakable. Now keeping that in mind, think about all the times that this product is handling. Production, packaging, warehousing, loading, shipping, receiving, unloading, warehousing, loading, installation, maneuvering, cleaning. All those things lend itself to a product that needs to be protected. Take a look at our packaging. As you can tell, there's been a lot of thought and engineering that's been put into this. Let's start with the skirt. 2 items are strategically protecting the skirt. The corrugated apron protector protects the front of the skirt, but also tucks under the bottom of the apron to protect it from making contact with debris. Equally as important is the stick that is placed across the bottom. The stick is placed a 1/4 inch below the bottom of the apron. This allows the stick to be the first contact point through all the handling and positioning that would typically result in concealed damage. Next, look at the two frame members that function as two gussets. These gussets provide unsurpassed stability to the product walls. The effect that these sticks provide is overkill, but with this overkill, the stability that is achieved goes extremely far at ensuring there is no product fracturing in the corners. The angle board running up the front two flanges protects them while product is being stored, shipped, and warehoused. The top cap and the top stick protect the top during storage, shipping, warehousing, and stacking. All these steps are taken with the product manufactured and sold by the Praxis companies to ensure that all the channels from the wholesaler through the homeowner are as flawless and turnkey as possible.